Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on another online portal, that is chronic.com. So let's check out either this is a legit or a scam store, and it will be unbiased review that will help you to decide either you will buy something from the store or not. It is actually a multi-product online store that sells fashionable women's wears like tops, jumpers, party wears, and dresses. It also deals with various kind of pet suppliers for birds, dogs, and fish. They have live fish and coral stock as well. Let's check out the specification of the store. It is HTTP secured website. They are dealing with women fashion wear, pet supplies, live fish, and corals. On their official portal, they have mentioned the email address and phone number. Moreover, they have also mentioned their official address, that is United based. Moreover, you can enjoy free delivery on the order over $50 plus, and other delivery charges for below $50 are $9.9995. As far as delivery time is concerned, it takes 3 to 5 business days to deliver the order at your doorstep. You can return and exchange the product within 30 days of your shopping. The payment method they are accepting are PayPal and credit card, but they have not mentioned their social media presence at all. The benefits of shopping from chronic.com are: it offers modern clothing and accessory for women. They have an outstanding stock for pet suppliers. The site is HTTP secured, provide a valid SSL certificate for secure payment. Multiple payment modes are available. Most of the products has 30 days return policy. Producing product in pricing is reasonable. The drawbacks of buying from Chronic.com are: none of their products has enough description. Chronic has no social media links available. The website homepage is poorly designed. The website is the least popular among customers. None of the product has customer reviews. So the question is Chronic.com legit? As we are checking out certain parameters, so we will be able to decide about its legitimacy. So we are going into depth and check out for more, as it was registered on 13 July 2021, and it will expire on 13 July 2022. Like, it was registered only for 1 year. Unfortunately, the website has not shown the owner's information. Moreover, about us page has no description of the website. It has a very poor trust score, that is 1%, and it could not win Alexa ranking at all. The website UI is not optimized. Home page advertisement are not clickable. None of their product has a proper description, and images are looking fake. The return policy is not well explained. Same with the refund terms. The contact email is referring to a free email service which is not trustworthy. None of their product has any offer or discount available. As we are checking out this website in detail, and we are examining all the aspect of the website, including all the policies and information, so it is clear that the site has no proof of authenticity and it is a fraud and scam website. There is no social media links of the site available, and customers are not willing to visit as Alexa rank is not available. So we are recommending you all to stay away from this web portal and make your shopping from some legit and stores. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please do share your personal experience with us. We love to hear from you.